can go whenever you want.
Hello, I'm Truman Hosner, and I'm here at the Scottsdale Artist School in Scottsdale, Arizona. We've been conducting a class called Figures in the Landscape for a week now. A wonderful experience. I highly recommend the school. They've kindly allowed me to make an announcement about a new book release that I will have available. It's coming out in about a week, and it can be acquired on my website. The title of the book is Joy of Life, and it is a collection of paintings and drawings from painting along the beaches of northern Michigan and California. I was lucky enough to have John Stern, Director Emeritus of the Irvine Museum of California Impressionism, write the foreword, and I have an introduction in the book. So I will tell you very much that I highly recommend coming and studying here at the school and buy my book. Thank you.